What's up, everybody? It is your boy Arlie, aka Young Garlic, coming to you here from Arcane Society on another great day in the markets. Before we get started, please remember our socials are all linked below. Please follow on those, go through, like all our posts, turn on notifications on. You can get important updates, important alerts from our account. Our Discord is also below. If you would like to come in and get live trading and live analysis, we live trade daily in our Discord. We have a free room and a paid room. Great analysts in both, great alerts in both. If you're worried about a paid membership and a subscription to a trading community, I do understand, but we offer a lot of free content so you can come in and see what you're getting. Our paid side is basically just where we kind of make more detailed, more DD plays with more DD for our members. Also, excuse my dog Milo in the background. He just loves me in the videos. Actually, he's a mama's boy, and mama locked him in the office because she's in a meeting. So I apologize if you hear him whining. He is not in distress. He is just a mama's boy. Anyways, our paid side had a 600% Q runner today. Also, if you didn't hear, our paid side had a 600% QQQ runner today. I don't know who told y'all that, but that's also something to keep in mind. This kind of alerts we put out. Paid side will get entries and exits quicker than everybody else. We don't do that as anything. Well, really, we'll tell you when we exit, but it's more entries. We'll alert entries early, give more detailed plans and stuff like that. But the free side, of course, has a lot of stuff to offer. Anyways, let's get started. So today, we sorry, I got a text from work. We traded Snapchat today. All right, really good day trading. Let me pull this back over here so I can see where we took trades, stuff like that. Let's see. Filled trades. All right, so today we took our first trade. Closer to the market open than we usually like to at 9:36. We really wanted to see that we fill this gap up. So we gapped down, the whole market gapped down. I was wanting to see that if we would fill the gap before we took any shorts. Trying to be smart. Took it at 9:36, ended up closing right here at 9:40. And I closed because of this. I will circle it and circle it and circle it so you guys see it. That short signal rejection is huge. This is actually why I exited, right? We have a nice bull side anomaly here, indecision candle. We reject off our short signal really hard, and I'm thinking we come down. Again, if I would have been trading a 3-minute, I don't think I would have taken this call at all. But I was wanting to respect the gap before we do anything else, right? So we got burned on a gap fill the other day. That's just something to keep in the playbook, and that's what we're going to be doing in the future is respecting gaps. But we ended up breaking down, ended up exiting this. It was a $5 loss. Respected our risk, got out when I needed to. Took another entry at 9:42 to the short side. All right, so took it on this candle. All right, I just wanted to make sure that our bears show up, and they did. So we shorted 9:42 and ride this wave all the way here to 9:51. All right, so all the bulls starting to step in. So got out, $15 gain, 20% play. Really okay with that. I think we were up like more than that. I think we were up $25 at one point, but I'd use a market order to exit. So we got filled on the bid side rather than like the mid or the last price. So good trade there, good entry. Probably could have entered a tad bit earlier. Probably could have not taken that call, but my rule book says respect the gaps. Probably could have waited a little bit longer, but took a riskier entry. Risked a little bit, $5. I'm okay with it because if we would have mooned to the gap fill, that would have been a good play too. So yeah, $5 loss, $17 gain. Next trade we took was another short, right? Bought at 9:56, sold at 9:58. Milo, come here, puppy. Say, I know. Can you say hey to everybody? Say hey to everyone on YouTube and Discord. Sorry about that. He's a mama's boy. So got in here, exited here. This was kind of quick. I was kind of being cautious. I've been getting burned on double bottoms and double tops lately. If I took this, this would have been the more proper entry on this short. All right, we consolidate, and then we wick down super hard off of. I drew this trend line later in the day, but we kind of have a ceiling here, right? We break this level, see some continuation below it and retest it. This would have been the more proper entry, but we still got in at 956. I thought we were double bottoming, so I went ahead and exited, but we ended up breaking down. So not mad about it. Again, break-even trade. I treat break-evens as wins. No money lost, no money gained. Next trade, we took a 1023. It was another short, right? Pretty good entry on a short here. Wicked off of this level that we have, right? You see how we struggle with this level all day. Wick off of it, break below it. Enter here. I think I was up 10% or something like this. Could have taken the profit, but wanted to see if we can break down. We kind of have a weird head and shoulders type deal going on here, kind of consolidating in this little range. But I have my GTFO level is here, right above this high, this little ceiling that we have formed. And we break back down, and this is right here is where it's interesting. I'm gonna pull my Weeble over with the Snapchat chart pulled up, make sure I have everything blocked off. Let's see, you can't see my BP or my account info. Okay, right, so I see this right here. All right, I was monitoring this from my Weeble just as I was in the position actively. This is screaming at me to get out, right? This is a huge sell volume coming in, and the move, right, isn't proper in terms of like we could have come down Tesla a day with this. I mean, this is huge bear volume anomaly, and the following move wasn't indicative of that volume. So I have my GTFO level. I'm in the trade still. I know we're going to come back up. So we come back down and retest this level again. I end up exiting, and then I bought right here. All right, I bought this bounce because I knew we were going to rock it pretty hard because this volume is huge. This is something Riley taught me a long time ago. I got burned on SPY on something like this. See this volume come in, and I'm thinking, oh yeah, we're about to slam, blah blah blah. He's like, nah man, we're about to go up. And I was like, no. You know, I didn't trust Riley, and we ended up mooning on SPY. This was a few weeks ago or something. I never forgot this. Milo, come here. Hey, bye-byes. I'm sorry. But yeah, this was actually a 25% play. Would have been more, but again, this trade here that I took here to here was more out of the money just because I didn't have a lot of buying power left, and this one was as well. So this was actually like a 25 to 30% move to the upside in terms of our premium. Would have been more if I was closer to the money, but don't have a lot of buying power. Doesn't mean I'm not going to try for those gains though. And that was it. That was all the trades we took today. Tried to keep this video short and sweet. Kind of late today. Me and Riley were meeting in the Discord, talking to some members. Little mentor session, you know. So I didn't get around to recording this video till later than I wanted to. But yeah, let's see, a couple more things I want to talk about. I wanted to long this. I thought about longing this, but I didn't. And I was messing around with fibs earlier today. Me and Riley just messed around, some intraday stuff, and I did this, and I saw this, and I saw we held this bullish confluence. If I would have did this during the day, I would have longed this easy. Wick off of it, hold it, consolidate above it, come back down. This is a 3-minute candle close above it, and we end up mooning. This was a really nice move up, right? I wanted to long this, but I didn't. I like that we were rounding off down here, right? Our bull volume is steadily increasing, our bear volume's falling off, seeing buyers stepping in with all these long lower wicks. But yeah, we also could have played this. This is also a play we could have played. Kind of a ugly bear flag rising wedge type deal. You know, we're bouncing off of our trend support, trend resistance. We consolidate right here on the trend support. The second we lose it, we come down. Right, this would have been a nice move to the downside. Nice 40-50 cent move. Would have been good for premiums. But yeah, that's some more stuff I saw through the day. Done before 11. Gonna try to be done before 11 as much as I can. Gonna try to trade between 9:30 and 11. Then after that, 2 to 4. Right, because the middle of the day is not a lot going on. Also a lot of volatility in the day just because FOMC today, you know, always brings a lot of volatility to the markets. But yeah, other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Want to say thank you to Crazy with a K. He reached out to me and we talked about some stuff, and I appreciate him reaching out. It's one thing we try to preach here at Arcane is just it's the little guys, the retail guys versus the big guys. And he embodied that by reaching out to me and just giving me some tips on stuff he uses and stuff he's seen as his development as a trader. Vish, always showing me the love. I appreciate you reaching out. If you guys ever want a plan or anything, you want to know what I'm looking at in the morning, please feel free to DM me. I'll show you what I'm seeing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and we will see you guys tomorrow.